conventional.
Umbra from Kaka. Umbra from. Even the conventional, he wanted to talk about converting.
Okay.
Because I'll say, but the warrior and they said they need to be more clinical, and they need to be more. And so just said they need to be more as a more converting more chances.
Because I say against 11 wonders, no. Other wonders, they never quit. It will not born against House of Buka. Pressure being in so to beat us. And House of Women so question 11 wonders. It's not my giving her the Kakra the mano. But the end of the umpire has a trend on because how this season no more body, but the problem goal scoring. Creating of chances in your problem, but there will be more clinical, the ball number 12 no. It is for House, some of the ball means about 12 with the just say clinical, but no did the person attend say. So it's actually no chances no man can create here now. There's no competition more than 3.
But when you say when you go fast as me abe dem amen kawe. As ma me ken complicated kakra. But obi owotie bia o tena so you obeti ma ase. Rich, unu say there's a reason why has and now consider the least number of goals e o legi nimu. Reason and say tactically. Even from teams so many has about abe catch and say has partner who penetrate you in Premier League in him. They are very, very tight. So tight in Omoyeno. I'm as defensively Omoye very, very solid. And they don't give a lot of spaces away for opponents to obey ratim. Rich, I told the own. Even this season in the English Premier League, what is go for Elbo Mikel Arteta to say? Arsenal materials now one. Even though or shake games, you know, or they think on only she Arsenal attacking potential because Obo balance game as a stroke across say yenye the compact sana Arsenal tie. Sana a has eti. Now for the first time, Mesha has gamer. They thought we 11 wonders. Omo ma wi kura o league nim. Omo no mo nya de kura. Match we kwakobe die. Let's forget about being compact defensive. Na yam free when I am cautious say you betimi ahye goals. Now Rich, for the first time this season has give away a lot of chances. I have not seen them give those chances away under Didi Damani. The only good thing I have seen here is say they met a wonder steamer Omunya clinical. And it's always I was surprised. Senator Didi Damani was rather questioning Haas conversion and not how what building the Haas team no throughout the season. No. Until Haas were able to score, they were free when it comes to attacking. But Obi Oshe game critically behind him by say this was the first game Haas were too open as a team. Now 11 wonders for them, they don't really have clinical strikers in the attackers or making taking advantage of it. But how they not to enjoy Rich, who's a super class in a bar? No. You need confidence wherever you need to find it. And for us to score almost first 3 goals this season in one single game, a very, very good boost at the Omo. Okay. Then made him no secret. Look, Rich is a House first 11 at home. Fifi when I did it, Amani didn't come. A typical House first 11 does it include Mauli Wayo? No. That is where the problem is. Even from Abubakar Watara time, Rich say okay, so throw her story now. It seems House extra good to score, but there's one potential scorer here. Still now, coach be on your baby finding you now with him. I have a problem with that.
Obanzo Beshe.
And American said they
are
last season.
James said they know Beshe.
Last season, I think he was House top scorer. How can you have your top scorer not being part of your first 11? And this season, so you do tell me more DFA has intimation. Mauli Wayo ba no Abeshe, and last time he scored the first goal. And my problem is say Say me.
What of a game plan?
How can that be a game plan, Rich? So we are head of a technical team. Now all build team. Now our main problem is goal scoring. Now Abrantia was show potential pass. So on your baby team him and with the right coach now. Obetimaya outlet of my goals. I tell the door for the boy to be part of the half first 11. That is the point I am making.
Diana, in football, you players in Swa. So I was starting in a game. They will pass a winner.
Then you are not coaching.
But from the bench,
then you are not coaching him.
Maybe you as a super sub.
Then you are not coaching him right. Look, team say I was super sub. The Manchester United team in 1999. Not tell you I'm a free bench ban or look, the entire he was classified as such, and they say so Oti Benja and the community who scored the goals. Oba no ababeshe. You will tell me more idea. Na yensha no ababeshe. But your man was a bench because on the pitch, Manchester United were not struggling to score. They just needed him to come off the bench and come and score. But Rich, this is Hearts team. They are not free scoring team. So how can you say your potential best scorer is a super sub? How? They should find a place in the team. No money in your baby.
As I'm talking also fish, Holy Stars are coming and so more anti-Kwampoku. Amoah is back, and Abrantana announcing the presence. Say, Okoya Wasaba, Oshego, and defender extraordinaire, Samba O'Neill and Dongani. Honestly, the goes in the back of the Kama, Kotoko Shamiansa, Holy Stars Antimi, and Tina Kamzito, Osina Mian Queni, and Marina, over a Tima, and from Holy Stars, and all.
Well, I'm more than happy that we've won today. It's been long, for so many weeks, trying everything possible to win a game. But I'm very happy today. We've been able to score 3 beautiful goals. I'm very happy. Well, we responded against Bibini Gold Stars. We were even faster than today. Yes, you know, the weather is too distant today, more than last week. And it's not easy playing in such weather. Yes, I think there is continuation of what happened at Bibiani. But the difference here is we were more focused on goal scoring than Bibiani, because it wasn't easy at Bibiani. But we do all the attacking, we do everything. I think today we were better in goal scoring than we played in Bibiani. So I'm very happy at the end of the day, we've started by 3 goals.
Okay, and December care. Abraham's in the meeting. I'm catching a team in the coach in Nazaluk. Yamamu 3 matches. When you know, because performance now the mind.
I'm the passer.
And Koyi.
I'm the passer you've come from the angle because I want to know.
And Mekaisa Ukasa, and never trigger him, no. And the show against Gold Stars.
Good.
And the coach said, so we game one boy now. Yes. They responded.
Good. And tell me the part because that was what I was basically going to say. Say, Uti will be speaker. Now, but the communication as here is about the key words now use. At the end of my coach Zito, like I said, we responded in the game against Bibiani. And no crying a bobo pa by Yentinia, but we were more focused on getting the ball into the net, and we are able to score 3. So we take the full interview now. Coach Zito class omo bobo Bibiani chindo omo ball and run.
But everyone
goes no a buyer. And last time I catch you say, Rich, there were some coaches here. They work under pressure. Ubo mujana, and a moment to me here, Jumano. And it seems as an as it to tear. One money Jano Kotoko, he became
opponent in Kaho.
He became too relaxed. Maybe opponent in the hall. Look, after Kotoko share became 6. No more winning game, baby. Until they needed to win. Against Basake, na Kotoko ni anything say also Moshe. Now, the last time Mebakachi Obium say if Coach Karim Zito, Eka say the concentration on the team, say a better is to go to Adakwajache and train on how to score goals. Then he is missing the point. His concentration should be on training boys to create quality chances. And no against Basake. How many quality chances na Kotoko create here? Baby! And when you are able to create quality chances, Rich, me say, team ni yasa dieng, ebi beto nets. And to the same Kotoko team na also say, oh, minister kese etimi shano. And when the chances were quality enough, look, look at the spectacular goals on share. She across your core box cinema. Morphine knows to MSC ya. Abet Amoah a boss Caesar kicking a share. She Abet Amoah. Ne technique now the passing ball no man Kwame Poku a man the ball on share. Look at some man in Dongani go no saying. And other miss chance Kotoko nyae. Look, always make sure say you train your team to produce more SGs. More creative chances, quality ones. And with the quality of our team, you may be able to score. Before Fifi Babano. Rich. Media Mafono.
Omajili,
They are who say every week biano.
Okay.
Every week biano. They are telling Obiasa look. So trying some tough mama besame who they are. Oh no,
chairman what is going on?
I think the last time out against two sides on home form near solid, Adriana and Karela. So that's I'm not surprised. And starting still at 7 to say 8. See, that's what I also wanted to come from. Me are very moved by Mediama because again, meaning how formidable a side a Karela team if they come away from home. And to beat them emphatically. Adriana didn't close. They are 1-1 to the dying numbers. And Adriana new winner. No. This one, it was an emphatic win, 3-1 against Karela. Yeah.
Was it after we share 2 na umbetiba? Yeah. Now the game became scary. Omunya tell go na ma.
I'm settle down. So, I think Mediama have done a good job. Until carry on, they are going to go on and win. I don't want to give too much credit to Karim Zito now on the Kotoko win against Baseke. The 3 games were good games. They were winnable games. Maybe stars there. But apart from that, yeah, they were winnable games that Kotoko always were going to win. I think that Nhyira not focusing too much on Kotoko game and almost strength, the quality of Amoah showed again. And INFE, it shows it. Oba, he doesn't need time. He doesn't need 2 weeks. Doesn't need 3 weeks. Obana, he settles in. The technical ability of Kita, the chance creation again for Sakwam Poku chance no Boshe, and that's Lamine Yamal Boha volley. Ashena Amoah Boha volley also here to score. So it tells you that he's a quality player. For me, Albert yesterday was an important player for Kotoko Forum, but Kotoko still needs to do more because the league is there for Kotoko too. Yes, Mediama are doing well. But Kotoko can also win the league. And it takes just a few things to do to be able to get a win. And Ghana Premier League, it's getting exciting because the zone more excitement here, but there's a fight for the FA Cup, fight for the Ghana Premier League. Hearts of Oak winning 3-0.
Fight for relegation.
Yeah, relegation. So now, Hearts of Oak winning 3-0. Solid as well. Hearts is 3 goals. Well, I don't know if Didi Dramani, because Mekaise Didi Dramani didn't come on the attackers no permits they make a chewa. How a person Yusuf Hussein, Ninti Todebia, or other players ahead of them. And at the time, on only they also he sees Maulu Wayo as a second half player because so why you about me stretching match. I say second half running a mobi Mayo pace into buy a bobo on to me the ball on him ego konya go be mom. So maybe that's how he wants to use him. But again, it's still worrying. Say top strike player or she go small baby, just a 60 or 70.
Especially when team now struggle to
score goals.
Now will be on the bench.
Then he comes at the 60 or 70. One man everybody that raise questions about that will be right in it. I mean, the end will justify the means. So to me, the year baby Papa Mahata, that would be good. If not, we'll do our work.
Mediama share 3 Karela Tekano Bako. Bekumi Charleston so share goes as 2-0. Goes as intimate Samates share nations. I come in no more intimate nations to me there. Well, how United and division so about 2-2. And now be chimney share Lions and so. But sure for the name ran to them say. Far pa na kakra so. I say.
So go to next game your Lions.
Okay.
Oh
Pandu.
What's in numbers?
I see.
Go to next game your Pandu.
As I know about El Clasico no.
Yes.
Wow. And the 2 crucial games ba.
Easy.
Because say Bashu for only the team result ni Nkoyi. Home no abodro kwa we ni ase no.
What Premier League table no?
I Ghana there no.
How many teams now 23 points? 1, 2, 3, 4 teams. There were 23 points.
Okay.
Starting from Vision, Brekum Chelsea, Young Apostles, Baseke. Obia or 23 points. Even Omomodo Manim Kakrebi kwa 24. omo manim kakra bi e 25. So it means from the 8th position to reach to the 16th position, only 2 points, maybe 1 point, and I did that.
When you save,
Ubia no is safe.
To next 2-3 games in do anymore. What's slip up? We share another sound.
Say because how in a bang 11 wonders bar, but they are only 3 points away from Amoah 23. No,
sure.
Until winning one game, not any of them. Not on one. Rich, a woman's league, your concentration on the origin there. But seems a bit joining 11 wonders Amoah relegation. In the next game, say day, and you might be able second round where you know. Rich a hot pan and come on.
Because and many at the point be free. Chelsea super
Betomu.
They say Chelsea super Vision super Tomu.
Yes, Vision Betomu. Almost so Afro young apostles na say no Betomu almost so
Afro is o free more on the 15th.
Now why about Betomu? You get it. Time na maybe so more Romo I was so
All Blacks.
Now All Blacks so no now or maybe 1-2 games on your results be paid. Ned Oko, Util Daka Krabi, Nessa Waba. That is how competitive I honor. Somebody am the Omachi League in him. But a honor, why not call everyone that's wako relegation? Rich a free Sammy Yakobi was the Karen.
Okay.
And come over.
Dreams is share. So many young apostles about 1-1 and All Blacks itifi. Emma Adriana good travelers. Adriana Chase. Omuko already abon Bopa. Uncho be coming on so no. Enti yenyina no so na yemfantwa wo kitwa bi yemna sese yem toa so emfa